Hi everyone, it's Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps, and today I'm going to be making soap with Gregarious Gin from Miscellaneous Distilleries. They are in my town, Mount Airy, Maryland. I love them. I love their booze. They're awesome. I love making the soaps for them. So this is very exciting. The only thing about this soap, it is probably one of the most complicated designs I've ever done. So I'm not going to be talking during this one. I'm actually going to turn on some music, just try to focus on the design. So what I'm trying to do, so funny, I printed this out. So this is a picture of their bottle. I only have the tiny bottles right now, of their bottle. And this is the artwork, amazing artwork that's behind it. So what I try to do is I try to mimic this pattern. But that's talking about, I want to say at least, 16, 17 different colors, different patterns. So I still want you guys to be able to see it, but I kind of need to focus. So I will not be talking during this. I'm actually gonna have music playing, and let's get started. right, it's time to cut my gin soap. Woohoo! Place it down. It's still pretty nice and soft, which is good. Oh, all right, check that out. That's the end piece. And let's see. So this is the design I was trying to do, which is pretty awesome. It's obviously flipped. Let's see if that one's a little. Here we go. So that's just the end piece. And that's, so I think, not bad. I am actually really, really, really happy with this. Okay, good. Obviously there's, you know, I always find stuff I could tweak, but I think these look pretty awesome. Good. I'll get these all unmolded and stamped, and then before you know it, they will be available at MISCellaneous Distillery. Ooh, that's a really good one. I like that. These are pretty hefty bars too, so that's awesome. It's a really nice, good size. Oh, love it. They smell so good. I really worked hard with the head distiller at MISCellaneous with Dan to figure out a fragrance that would really match all the notes in their gin, and I think we really knocked out of the park. So I'm allowed to toot my own horn a little bit. I really like what we came up with. I love it. Nice. Yeah, I think it did pretty good getting all the colors in. And I always get nervous when I unmold because I'm like, did I get it good? Did I get it close enough? I love that. I really think, I mean, if you look at it, you have the dark down there and the light going across, that little thing. So this could be a little higher there, and I have stuff on top. But I think overall, I'm really happy with it. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how I stamp, and unfortunately, you're going to be looking at it upside down because I don't think I'm good enough this morning to fix it. Oh, glad I looked down. One of these was backwards. Alright, so what I do first, well, I have my custom made stamp, which I love, and I will link below where I got it from. And then I spray it with rubbing alcohol. And these are actually soft enough that all I'll have to do is I'll line it up where I want it, and I gently press down in the middle, kind of rotate it, lift it up. It's all done. So I like to do these pretty much right after I unmold them. And I just go through, and I can do about 4 or 5 before I have to respray. And all the alcohol does is make sure that there's not any soap sticking. And it'll just evaporate off the soap, so that's not a big deal. Whoop! See, so that stuck a little bit, so let's spray this again. I just go press down in the middle, kind of rotate it, and lift up. And I always do, for most of my soaps, we have it all stamped, ready to go. See? For most of my soaps, I have little sample bars. So I'll use a sample bar to see how hard I can press, and then that kind of guides me for the rest of it. But I hope you guys like these.